places guys with the same view and then with the same scenery. So nagabot yun sila anilahang duyan na moon guys with a color. Oy, sa camping bar. Hi guys, this is a camping area. Oh, it's a camping. It's so nice. It's a camping guys, pero kailangan nyo lang mag-ulit. So cute. Two pieces ah. Ay, 안녕하세요. Oh my god. Where? Hi guys. Today we're going to eat at the camping bar. Camping bar located at still near in Daganting Highland Resort guys. But may one here.
Why? Auntie, I'm internet.
Mami one. Pili ang kananan diri guys. Nice diri guys para for the family, for the friends, and girlfriend and boyfriend, and so for chilling around. Nice ang area paggabi guys. Nice kayo siya guys. Kaya mo lang yung madungog ka ng mga gangis, mga peace sa environment. So it was totally environment friendly guys para get away from the stress from the city life. So kay gabi naman siya, mas ano lang siya, hadlok lang siya little bit. So ayun ang pagpalayo sa grupo nimo or sa imuhang family. And then yun lang. Maraming salamat. Paalam!